Keep going. Topo Chico. Topo Chico. Let's call Topo Chico. Topo Chico. Bum 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 bum. Music starting. Bum 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 bum. Trumpet. Here we go. What's that there? Meatpacking districts. Sounds like a parade somewhere. Let's celebrate 8th year. Nice. Here we go. We're coming. Beautiful music too. Wait. Okay. New York, smell New York, right? And white. It's called New York. Which one? This? Hi. Welcome in YouTube live stream.
What?
YouTube live stream.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Live?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. It's nice to see you. Guys, you like this one? The small one, yeah. Yeah.
I use it for
It's not shaking, yeah.
Yeah. So cool.
Nice. Enjoy, have fun.
Do you want us to do something fun?
Yeah.
What do you want us to do?
New York.
New York. Why are you doing Instagram Live?
Not Instagram, YouTube.
YouTube. What are you
Yeah.
gonna
A
do?
lot of
Actually?
followers.
Yeah, a lot of followers.
Do you know she's famous on Instagram?
I am not famous on Instagram.
We have Instagram too. You
No,
want to
she's
show?
actually famous. Actually, do something for them.
Go ahead.
Do it back.
Everybody have Instagram, you know.
You want me to do that?
Yeah, everybody have Instagrams. Why not? Hey, you want to tell your Instagrams? People will do is follow you.
Ashley Ravick _ beauty and bridal. It's hair and makeup.
Nice. Hair, makeup. Oh, beautiful.
Anyone need bridal hair? This
Right.
girl right here.
Wow.
You have a
Kills it.
wedding, I'll do your hair.
Yeah.
Right.
How many
Awesome.
followers do you have on here, Mike?
Right now is online is right now it's 200.
Nice.
But
That's
it's
pretty good.
What's
like-
your YouTube channel about?
just walk in the city.
We gotta
Oh,
look at her.
nice.
Yes.
That'll do well.
Go and try it out there.
Yeah.
But you do beauty is the best, you know. A lot of people like to see you with makeup
Yeah.
like that.
It's
So,
fun.
No, this is
Yeah.
natural.
yeah, natural.
This is natural.
No, he's
Pretty.
not saying that. He's saying like hair and makeup. Like
Oh.
beauty. She's famous. Her name's Victoria Cognac.
Victoria's?
Yep,
Oh,
she's a model.
it's a model.
Hmm.
Wow.
She models for some big companies. What do you model for?
What a model for?
What do you model for? Abercrombie?
Abercrombie?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm
Wow.
actually an Abercrombie model.
Wow,
For
nice.
the thicker girls.
She's
Yeah.
too big for that.
Awesome, guys.
Thank
Yeah, you guys look pretty, you know.
Thank you.
Victoria's and
Ashley.
Ashley, and Creo.
Creo.
Mercury.
Mercury.
wow.
Baby.
I need to be a model too.
You can be a model.
Cutthroat for sure.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Take care. Nice. Awesome. Don't tell moms.
Ready? No, this is a big deal. You're graduating from college.
Oh, that's why. Graduate from college. Well, congratulations. Let's go. You'll see a lot of beautiful people take a picture.
别走了，别走了。
See, that's like in Central Park. There's some places you really get the
Flower.
weeds. That,
Let's go around first.
some places like right in the middle, dude. Yeah, you're only trying.
It's amazing sunset too. You see the high lines. Everybody sit down here and take a picture. The colonnade forest of flower. They have flower show every year in here. That's in Chelsea. So that's why. I'm gonna walk, show you around, but it's beautiful sunset too. So we gotta go inside, okay? Go inside. A lot of media here too. You will see it nice, lights up. Dos Caminos restaurant right here. Like a triangle restaurant here. It's packed. So we go inside now. Looks how it's different flowers in here. Still take care flower, decoration flower, red rose. Let's see how many different kind flower. So many different kind flowers. Lovely flower. Red rose, white rose, pink rose, yellow flower. Still have to take care of all this. Everyone will be. This is pink flower, pink rose. No? Beautiful, very good, attractive, makes all the customer people come to visit this area. It's nice, it's a very good idea to do that. You know, in Chelsea. Will be a lot of things going on every year. Let's go and hang out. Let's way straight up. So we meet up a lot of people here too. It's called Meatpacking districts. Imagine art here. So we got imagine art here. Louis Miller flowers, flash. All we have is nice. Enjoy, lady. You look pretty tonight. Enjoy, have fun. Big party, have a good time.
Thank you.
All we ever had is now. Let's go around closer. Lady look pretty too. A lot of pretty. A lot of pretties, ladies around here. Spring Scotter bar. They got a bar here too. And restaurant here. And another flower. Beater chains. Okay. Beater chains. Keep going. We have a lot of flower coming up. So will be flower shows here. Beautiful art. We'll see a lot of pretty girls too. Beautiful, like a flower. Ooh, do your best. Yes. Will be do my best. Do your best. Very good ones. This word right here. Always do your best. It's flower like peacocks.
Is this what you meant by the square?
Do your best. Yep. Chester, the Chester. And the bester. Ooh, nice. Very great right here. Ooh, over there, great too. Yeah. Party up, girl. Here we go. Oh wow, it's a very good idea here. That's so cool. It's not a real one, it's a fake one. Alright, let's go, girl. Photo pictures. Page 8. Party of the week. Beautiful, nice. Yeah, party of the week. Right. Go inside. Wow, amazing. All the girl will be low flower. There's no other world. Flowers. There are no other world. Ooh, nice. Right here too. Beautiful flower, beautiful lady. A lot. Come down here. Watch soccer this year. This most soccer fans. Live life in the full bloom. Step right up. Number 1, 2, plant yourself here. 3, snap a pic and tag. Onion dough. XOX. XOX. That's nice. Oops. Oops, nice. El Toros, D Oros. It's got a design here, so. Oh, so nice here. What's that, like a cows? It's like a charging bowl right here. Hey, the charging bowl. Yes. That's right, charging bowls. Here we go, charging bowls. But except we don't see anybody touch the bowls. A charging bowl. Light is punky. Say light is punky. Somebody likes punky monkey. Light is punky. That's what it says. Endless sunshine. It say endless sunshine. Oops. Don't tell moms. So pretty here.
Sir, can we take a picture here? No. You have me take a picture. No. Can we take a picture here? Okay. Whenever you're done. Just ask me. Not a problem. Take your time. 1 minute. It's okay. Just want to make
So real.
Okay.
No worries. No, take your time. I don't want to. You're sure? Okay. No, let's do it.
Come on. We gotta go fast. So we don't have time.
What a nice camera. Wow, this is really professional. Wow, look at the pinks right here. I'm a model already, right? Now we'll see a lot of Instagrams here. Yeah, we'll see this. Nice. What's this? Wow, almost about run out. That's it. It's going faster before they run out. Wow. Everybody loves here. It's called Chelsea. Interested. Sundance. Wow, she's really serious. Look at that, her professional.